Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I have a glitch where you can have this cosmetic forever. In fact, it's free, man. It's free. I think it's not free. Oh, it is now. First, you want to equip it, yeah? You want to go right about here. You don't want to go past it. Grab it. Just let go. Go right here. And boom! You have it. But sad thing is, it only works in the server that you're in. But it's so cool that you can just throw it. Yeah, but any server you can do this in. Oh, look at him go. So that's a cool glitch, because there's no way I just got it in there. Because, well, this cosmetic costs so much money, and you just don't want to spend money, so yeah, you just do that. Oh, it's so fast too. Like, it's so sick. You just wanna, It's gonna hit the slide. Oh man. I would check this map before with the new update too. Yeah. Oh, look at that! So cool. Like, let's say we leave a server. Option 1. Actually, that's sick, dude. Y'all know that trick where you can like have a cosmetic forever without even buying it? That's so sick. Oh. Well, that's how you get a free cosmetic forever. So please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.